can have, as a matter of right, free, fair, transparent, credible, verifiable, peaceful, and accountable elections in the year 2017 and beyond. In the meantime, our programs for demonstrations are still in place for Monday and Thursday next week. But we are quick to point out that demonstrations are not an end in themselves, and once we have an agreement and pathway to reform the IEBC, they will not be necessary. We note that the President on one hand and Cabinet Secretary in Kaiseri and the Inspector General on the other hand have different and conflicting views and understanding on the right to peaceably assemble and to demonstrate. That internal contradiction amongst themselves must be resolved in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya, which Constitution of Kenya is clear and has no doubt whatsoever on this matter. We remain keen to see that peace prevails and the unity of the nation is maintained. Signed by Honorable Raila Odinga, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, and Senator Moses Wetangula.